Okay, so we created this point in order to firstly we can save this my project, and then now go to the editing tools. In this editing tool, create a this structure kind of, and when you, for example, I click on this area. So okay, it created this, and by going to attribute and click on this, so it will be give the data which you created. So for example, randomly I just give the data to the this part is like strike will be my 220, and the dip angle will be my 45, and the dip direction will be like so you can also, if I click it, so you can easily see from this kind of data. For example, it go to this dip direction, so it will be maybe 250, this kind of. So I randomly I gave this everything, and yes, so you can, okay, and you can save it, and you can click it. So you can create a 1 point. So yes, so it can also show the 1 point is created. Now you can create a second point, like in this area, and again go to the attribute table and go to this. So this area, uh, so it will be the like the strike will be my for example 320, and the dip angle is very steeply dip, so it will be like 70 for example, and the dip direction will be the 120. So again the point is created, and go to save, it will be save it, and then this will be okay, and cross it. So 2 points are added, so one last point on this Jurassic rock. So create this this area, and go to attribute this one. Okay, so for example, the strike will be my like if I go to 320, and on the field you can collect this data. What would be the strike, dip angle? Dip angle is very sharp, so I go to 50, and dip direction will be my 240 for example. So enter and save it. You can save it easily, and cross. So you can create it this three kinds. So this means it will be click, so you can also go to attribute table and see it, like you can see it easily that this point is selected, so you can clear it. For example, if I click one, so it means that this 1 point is this data. So you can also give the data. Okay, so whenever you can click this data, you can save it, and you can also save this one. So you can also give the data from this area, for example, at this 220, and this point if I click, yes, this is this point, so it will be like 320, and this point will be my 90. Okay, so, and you can also dip like 45, 50, and 70, 120, 340, and the like 1 220. Okay, so you can save it. So you can also do it from this side, and also I can do from this side the attribute table, so you can save it easily. And so by clicking like this point is showing the 320 strike, 50 dip angle, and 340 dip direction. And you can easily by clicking like this, so it will be the give the data of every point in the object type. And by clear, okay, so now we can go to my uh, go to geological 24K to add the symbology. So in the next part we will be do it